Now to new developments in the investigation into a death and hospitalizations following treatments at the DaVita Dialysis Center in Novi.
Today, Novi police saying they found no evidence of suspicious activity, foul play, or criminal conduct. The matter now being handled by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, which continues to oversee the ongoing public health investigation.
7 News Detroit reporter Ruta Olsenida first brought us this story yesterday after receiving a tip.
Tonight, Ruta is digging deeper, hearing from a dialysis expert and listening to a patient as investigators work to pinpoint what went wrong.
DaVita Dialysis here in Novi remains closed as recommended by the Oakland County Health Department. And now the real in-depth investigation begins, a process experts tell me could take months.
What do you think the state is looking into right now?
They would probably start with looking for problems at the level of the dialysis unit. Then they'll move on to problems with the individual supplies used, the water system.
Nephrologist Larry Greenberg, DO, has been treating patients with kidney disease for decades. He's an expert in dialysis, a complicated, multi-layered process.
Dialysis really is a complex system. It relies on not only industry, suppliers, the city, the individual center.
When he heard that Novi police were investigating after a 72-year-old woman from Livonia died after receiving treatment at the DaVita Dialysis Center in Novi Friday, and multiple others were hospitalized, including one that remains in an ICU, he knew what would follow would be a lengthy investigation.
There are literally hundreds of causes.
On Thursday, Novi police said they found no evidence of suspicious activity or foul play with the recent incidents and are still not making any connections. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is now investigating this from a public health standpoint.
I definitely would like to know what happened. I'm extremely curious.
Alethea Walls is an advocate for those with kidney disease. She receives dialysis treatments at the Royal Oak DaVita location 4 times a week. She was receiving treatment as I was speaking to her and says her location has seen an influx of people as the Novi patients are redirected to other centers. I also looked into DaVita, the company, one of the largest U.S. providers of dialysis treatments with over 2,600 centers nationwide. In 2018, they were ordered to pay over $383 million to the families of 3 patients who died after treatment. The company had no updates when I reached out Thursday, but their patients and the community are hoping for some sort of clarity from the state or the company soon.
It's a very concerning situation.
In Novi, I'm Ruta Olsenida, 7 News Detroit.
Okay, Ruta, thank you. And once again, this story was brought to our attention because of a viewer tip. If you have a story idea or something that you think needs to be investigated, please email us at tips@wxyz.com. Glenda?